Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm coming up today with a requested video on how to slick down your hair without using any heat on it. As you can see, I have really short hair and I'm just going to put that in a bun. What you're going to need for this video, make sure your hair is wet because it stretches more when it's wet. And apart from that, you're going to need gel, any kind of gel that you have in your house or that you can get. I'm using Garnier Fructis gel in here. But then make sure you detangle your hair. It's so much easier when your hair is detangled and it doesn't look bulky when your hair is detangled. Like, it's easier to lay it flat. So like I said, I'm using the Garnier Fructis gel, and you'll need obviously some hair ties and some sort of brush to brush down your hair. I don't mind mine, it's kind of dirty, but yeah. But I'm just starting by trying to hold the hair at the back of my head because I want to do a low bun. I honestly don't like doing low buns because I don't think it frames my face properly. I have a really round face, and when I do a low bun, I feel like it really like stands out on how round my face is. But I'm just putting some gel as I brush it to the, well, not the center of the back of my head, and I'm trying to hold on to it. Try not to pull your hair too tightly. Use more gel if you need to, and honestly, use bobby pins if you need to. You'll see, like, as the video goes on, I'm going to use some bobby pins to pin down some of the stubborn hairs, but use a lot of gel if you do need to. If your hair is as thick as mine, make sure it's properly detangled, or you're going to have what do you call it? Like, it's not going to lay as flat as you want it to lay. So make sure you detangle it and just do it slowly and take your time. It honestly doesn't take a long time for you to do it. The reason for my videos, I normally do it with blow-dried hair, is just because when it's wet like this and it's shorter, well, it's not like it's shorter, it's just it's less stretched out, you end up using more gel, so it takes a longer time for the gel to dry. I honestly didn't wait for the gel to dry, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. I do my videos during the day because I use sunlight to film, so I have to, like, what do you call it? I have to blow dry my hair so that the video will take a short amount of time. If you do this, I'd recommend, if you're laying your hair down on wet hair and it's not stretched out or anything like that, so you're using a lot of gel in that case, try to do it at night. Try to do it at night and then sleep with a scarf on your head, and then in the morning it's going to be dry. Like I said, for this video, I didn't wait for the hair to dry. I just wanted to finish it because I had some places to go and I can't stay with a scarf on my head the whole day. Well, I suppose I can, but I didn't want to. I didn't want to stay with a scarf the whole time. At the front, I'm just using the brush to sort of like smooth out everything. And I'm going to pass through the brush through my hair again at the end of it. As you can see, this hairs, they're so stubborn, they won't lay down. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking a bobby pin and I'm using a bobby pin to lay it flat. You can probably take out the bobby pin later when your hair is dry, but I didn't wait for my hair to dry, so I couldn't take it out anyways. But it's fairly simple, honestly. Just take your time and do it and be patient. And if your hair is shorter again, use more gel and just brush it down. It's going to lay down. Like, it doesn't matter how short your hair is. If you use gel and you make sure it's wet to stretch it out a little bit, your hair is more stretchy when it's wet again. But that's pretty much it. I wanted to have a middle part because I wanted to put this head accessory thing, and I think it looks cuter with a middle part kind of thing. At the end of it, I'm going to put like a low ponytail bun using my Marley hair. You can like watch to the end of the video if you're interested in seeing how I did that, but if you're just watching it for how I lay down my hair, then this is pretty much it. So after I finish brushing everything, I'm just going to go over again with a hair tie, and I'm going to tie sort of like everything that was left out when I first tied my hair again. Obviously not everything is going into the ponytail, that's why I'm saying use as much gel as you need to, because I know some of us, like, our hair is not long enough to go into the ponytail, but it still works. Like, you can do any kind of style after the hair is dry, of course. You can do any kind of style and it's going to hold just fine. So just to make sure everything is laid nice and neatly, I'm just going to put on a scarf, and I left it in for about, I think, about an hour and a half or maybe 2 hours, like while doing stuff in the house. If you want, you can take a blow dry and just blow dry your head with a scarf on it, and it's going to help with the drying time. But I didn't do that. I just let it like sit in my head for like 2 hours or an hour and a half. So this is the hair accessory that I was saying. I got it from Icing. I'll try to find if they have an online store, and I'll leave a link to them down below to their store. But I wanted to put that little accessory. I think it's so cute, and I like how it moves. I don't know, I just I'm being silly, but I like it. So I'm using a whole pack of Marley hair, and I'm just like, I didn't even do anything. I just twisted the hair, the whole pack, and I'm just securing it and making sure I cover my little bun thing. Honestly, it would have been covered either way, but I'm just making sure I cover that. If you want your bun to be bigger, then make your twist for the Marley hair a little bit looser. I wanted a slightly smaller bun, and after that I'm just securing it over and over again. I actually find that using the Marley hair, like, I'm really loving it. But that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and check me out on Instagram at _YasserK. I will see you next time.